Hi, I'm Sean with Catalina Rug, and in this video we're going to be covering Bokhara rugs. So we'll be going over where Bokhara rugs came from and where they are made now. We'll take a look at some of the general characteristics of Bokhara rugs, for example, the material, their designs, their colors. We'll also talk about Fine Bokhara rugs. So if you're looking to purchase a Bokhara rugs or you're just interested in them, I think this video should help you understand a little bit more about them and see what kind of options you have. So all of that is coming up now. So first, let's talk about where Bokhara rugs come from. So the original design of Bokhara rugs were inspired by Persian Turkoman design. So these are really older, more traditional designs that Pakistan and Afghan weavers were inspired by. And they took these designs and started making them inside of workshops in Pakistan, where they had access to really good material, really good tools and dyes, and they were really highly skilled weavers that were taking these older traditional design and making new modern versions of them. So let's go over the general characteristics of Bokhara rugs. So the first thing is their design. Now, the design of Bokhara rugs is something that you're probably really familiar with already. These are some of the most famous and popular designs that have been around for generations. A lot of people actually remember growing up with this type of rug. And the design that I'm talking about here is the Guls design that you're going to see throughout the rug. And this is the same design they have always been using in Bokhara rugs. So for the material used in Bokhara rugs, you're typically going to see 100% wool pile and cotton foundation. The wool is going to feel soft and it's going to look almost silky in most Bokhara rugs. And in terms of the colors being used, the most popular color is going to be red, followed by cream. And then some Bokhara rugs also come in blue or green, and more recently they've been doing a field color of black. In terms of the highlight colors that they use, they'll use black, peach, blue, and green. And all of these colors are vegetable dyes, so naturally made dye colors. So far, all of these characteristics that we've been talking about for Bokhara rugs apply to most Bokhara rugs. However, you should know that there's also Fine Bokhara rugs. These Fine Bokhara rugs have a higher knot density, and which means that their design is going to be more detailed. So you're going to see more details, more intricate design in Fine Bokhara rugs. And as far as their material, they're going to be made with Ghazne wool. So this is the highest quality wool. It's a little bit more fattier and just a higher quality, thicker wool. And in terms of the color combinations and the patterns, it's going to be pretty much the same as regular Bokhara rugs. So really what's the difference is the knot density and the type of material being used. So this concludes our video on Bokhara rugs. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Bokhara rugs, then I encourage you to check out our site, catalinarug.com, and look at our Bokhara rugs collection. There we have a lot more information on Bokhara rugs, so you could read about them, you could watch more close-up videos of them, as well as look at some of the options you have for just regular Bokhara rugs and Fine Bokhara rugs. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then you can hit the like button if you like this video, comment below, and subscribe if you already haven't done so. See you in the next video.